Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Your next promotion is not just a step up in your career, it's a step closer to your dreams, your respect, and your financial growth. The bank promotion exams 2026-2027 are your golden opportunity, and I am here to make sure you grab it with both hands. In this journey, we'll learn smart strategies, master important topics, and tackle questions just like the exam demands. Remember, success does not come to those who wait, it comes to those who prepare. So let's start today, prepare smartly, and make your promotion in 2026-2027 a reality. Welcome to part 17 of my Path to the Corner Office 2026-2027 series, where we break down real bank promotion exam questions and give you clear, practical sample answers to help you climb the career ladder faster. Subject: Deposit Products, Miscellaneous Deposit Products. Question: Under form number 60, which rule under the Income Tax Rules 1962 mandates the billing by persons without PAN entering a specified transaction? Option A, Rule 114A. Option B, second proviso to Rule 114B. Option C, Rule 114C. Option D, Rule 114E. Correct answer is option B, second proviso to Rule 114B. Question: As per the penal provisions referenced in Form 60, if tax sought to be evaded exceeds 25 lakh rupees, the minimum rigorous imprisonment prescribed is option A 3 months, option B 6 months, option C 1 year, option D 2 years. Correct answer is option B 6 months. Question: In the other case, that is tax evasion not exceeding 25 lakh rupees, under Form 60's declaration penalty clause, imprisonment may extend it up to option A 1 year, option B 2 years, option C 3 years, option D 7 years. Correct answer is option B 2 years. Question: Which document code corresponds to bank post office passbook bearing photograph of the persons in the Form 60 supporting document list? Option A 01, option B 02, option C 03, option D 04. Correct answer is option B 02. Question: Among the following documents accepted as proof of identity and proof of address under Form 16 instructions, which one is valid as proof of identity only, not address? Option A Aadhaar card, option B Kisan passbook bearing photo, option C elector's photo identity card, option D driving license. Correct answer is option B Kisan passbook bearing photo. Question: A landline telephone bill to be accepted as proof of address under Form 60 must not be older than option A 1 month, option B 2 months, option C 3 months, option D 6 months. Correct answer is option C 3 months. Question: A property tax payment receipt when used as proof of address must not be older than option A 3 months, option B 6 months, option C 1 year, option D 2 years. Correct answer is option C 1 year. Question: For a transaction in the name of more than one person under Form 60, where should the total amount of the transaction be filled? Option A serial number 12, option B serial number 14, option C serial number 16, option D serial number 18. Correct answer is option number C serial number 16. Question: In case of a partnership firm, a person is treated as a beneficial owner if they hold ownership or entitlement to more than what percentage of capital or profits? Option A 10%, option B 15%, option C 25%, option D 51%. Correct answer is option B, 15%. Sin. For a company, controlling ownership interest for beneficial owner identification means ownership of or entitlement to more than what percentage of shares, capital, or profits. Option A 10%, option B 15%, option C 25%, option D 33%. Correct answer is option C 25%. Sin. For identifications of the beneficial owner of a trust, which threshold interest of a beneficiary triggers identification requirements? Option A 10% or more, option B 15% or more, option C 20% or more, option D 25% or more. Correct answer is option B 15% or more. Sin. The declaration about beneficial ownership should be supported by documentation satisfactory to the branch or alternately by certificate from whom? Option A, the company secretary. Option B, a practicing chartered accountant. Option C, the statutory auditor of the entity. Option D, a notary public. Correct answer is option C, the statutory auditor of the entity. Sin. Nomination in respect of bank deposits under Form DA1 is made pursuant to which section of the Banking Regulation Act 1949? Option A, Section 35A. Option B, Section 45Y. Option C, Section 45ZA. Option D, Section 49A. Correct answer is option C, Section 45ZA. Question. Nomination in respect of bank deposits under Form DA1 is governed along with which rule of the Banking Companies Nomination Rules 1985? Option A Rule 21, Option B Rule 23, Option B Rule 25, Option D Rule 26. Correct answer is option A Rule 21. Question. Cancellation of an existing nominations for bank deposits is executed through which specific form? Option A Form DA1, Option B Form DA2, Option C Form DA3, Option D Form 49A. Correct answer is option B Form DA2. DA2. Question. Variation of nomination, cancelling an old nomination and appointing a new nominee simultaneously for bank deposits is executed under which form and rule? Option A Form DA2, Rule 25. Options B Form DA3, Rule 26. Option C Form DA1, Rule 21. Option D Form DA3, Rule 21. Correct answer is option B Form DA3, Rule 26. Question. Where a deposit is made in the name of a minor and a nomination is to be signed, who must sign the nomination form? Option A, the minor personally once they turn 12. Option B, a person lawfully entitled to act on behalf of the minor. Option C, any adult family member. Option D, the bank manager as custodian. Question. Where a deposit is made in the name of a minor and a nomination is to be signed, who must sign the nomination form? Answer. Option B, a person lawfully entitled to act on behalf of the minor. Question. In the nomination forms DA1, DA2, DA3, thumb impressions of the depositors were used instead of signature must be attested by how many witnesses? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D no attestation required. Correct answer is option B 2. Question. In the central KYC registry individual application form, which of the following is explicitly listed as a mandatory requirement only for update type applications? Option A photograph, option B KYC number, option C permanent account number, option D mobile number. Correct answer is option B, KYC number. Question. Under occupation type in the CQIC form, which of the following categories is not listed as a distinct checkbox option? Option A, self-employed. Option B, housewife. Option C, freelancer. Option D, retired. Correct answer is option C, freelancer. Question. In the CQIC forms residential status field, which of these is a listed option? Option A, domestic individual. Option B, person of Indian origin. Option C, naturalized citizen. Option D, overseas citizen of India, expressly named as such. Correct answer is person of Indian origin. Question. Under section 3, proof of identity of the CQIC individual form, which code corresponds to UID, Aadhaar? Option A, option B, C, option C, E, option D, F. Correct answer is option C, E. Question. In the FATCA declaration form, a US citizen residing in another country who has not given up US citizenship is still treated as a US person for which reason? Per the form's note. Option A, they still vote in US elections. Option B, they are still liable to US taxation regardless of residence. Option C, they hold a US passport physically. Option D, they were born after 1986. Correct answer is option B, they are still liable to US taxation regardless of residence. Question. As per the FATCA forms note, a person is also treated as a US linked person if they spend more than how many days in the US each year? Option A, 90 days. Option B, 120 days. Option C, 180 days. Option D, 200 days. Correct answer is option C, 180 days. Question. In the NRI's declaration for foreign currency accounts, if the deposit is kept for a further term after the customer's return to India, on what basis is interest payable on the converted rupee deposit? Option A, at the rate applicable to fresh rupee deposits on the date of conversion. Option B, at the rate originally fixed at the time the exchanger deposit was placed. Option C, at the RBI repo linked floating rate. Option D, no interest is payable after conversion. Correct answer is option B, at the rate originally fixed at the time the exchanger deposit was placed. Question. Under the NRI declaration, who bears the risk and responsibility for loss, damage, or delay in transmission of instruments collected by an agent appointed by the bank at the NRI's request? Option A, the bank exclusively. Option B, the appointed agent exclusively. Option C, the depositors, the NRI customer. Option D, jointly shared between bank and agent equally. Correct answer is option C, the depositors, the NRI customer. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe and share.